In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on Outlook Office 365. Whether you use Outlook on the web, the new Outlook app, or the classic desktop version on Windows, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. A good email signature helps your messages look professional and saves you time, so let's walk through both experiences clearly. If you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app, start by opening Settings using the gear icon at the top right. In the menu, go to Accounts, then select Signatures. If you have more than one email account connected, choose the account you want to work with so your changes go to the right place. Now you can either pick an existing signature to update, or create a new one by selecting New Signature. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. In the editor, type or paste your signature content, add links, and insert images if you need a logo. Use the formatting options to adjust font, size, color, and alignment so it matches your brand or personal style. Below the editor, set your defaults using the checkboxes to decide which signature appears automatically on new emails and on replies or forwards. When you're happy, click Save to apply your changes. If you're on Classic Outlook for Windows, open Outlook and go to File, then Options. Choose Mail, and click Signatures. Under Select Signature to edit, choose a signature to modify, or click New to create one from scratch. Give it a name, then build your signature in the Edit box. You can format text, change font and color, and insert an image using the picture icon if you want to include a small logo. On the right side, under Choose Default Signature, pick the email account this signature belongs to, and then select which signature is used for new messages and which is used for replies or forwards. When everything looks good, click OK to save and close. A few tips to keep things polished: keep the design clean and readable, avoid oversized images so your emails load quickly, and test your signature by composing a new message to confirm the formatting looks right. Remember, changes affect emails you send from now on, they won't alter messages you've already sent. That's all you need to update your signature in Outlook on the web, the new Outlook app, and Classic Outlook for Windows. Make your edits, set your defaults, and save. Thanks for watching.